Hello everyone, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to sign up in Splitwise app. If you are watching us for the very first time, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the app. If not, you can check our previous video about how to download Splitwise and join us here. After downloading, open the app. You'll see these options. You have to choose sign up. Here you have to type your full name and your email address along with password. Phone number is optional here. After filling up the required information, click on done. Ta-da! Your account is signed up now. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if this video was helpful. And subscribe to our channel for new videos. Stay tuned. See you in next video.